Folks from the government, from Department of Environmental Protection, talking about just the massive cleanup, the massive undertaking that is Spring Lake, and how. Now this lake was never really like it was more like a kind of provided aesthetic value with the park right there. It really wasn't like a lake in the sense that was there. Did people fish this lake at all?
Pond, wasn't it?
Kind of, yeah, I guess. I don't. I drove past it quite a bit, but that's.
Well, it's a pretty nice sized lake actually, and it does have a lot of fish in it.
Okay.
It was originally built, it was excavated to provide fill for the surrounding area to develop the neighborhood, and then served as basically where all the water drains to.
Kind of a retention pond.
Yeah, retention pond, and then overflows down into eventually Charlotte Harbor. And it was constructed decades ago.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been used as this. It's been receiving that stormwater for a good 50 years, almost 60 years now. And it's due for a cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
These lakes, this is naturally what happens. They eventually fill up with silt, leftover plant material. You know, we saw all kinds of debris. We went and talked to all the homeowners around the lake. And they
Any
had
cars yet?
no cars, but quite a bit of debris still left over from
Charlie? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I would
So
imagine it would be. Yeah.
the contractors will probably find some interesting items out there. We'll see what they turn up. But it's just been there quite some time, and it's time for its cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
And then if we put in steps like the county's talking about, maybe an aeration system, put it in some water, then it should be good for 80, 90 years before we look at it again as a routine maintenance clean.
Mm-hmm. So, and we're looking at what, $1 million? Is that roughly what?
The contract was 1.9.
1.9. So $2 million to clean it up. Because they'll go over budget. They always do.
We're hoping.
It's a government contract. Come on, everybody goes over budget. That's like part of the deal.
My question is, how come nothing happened across the course of time on it? You know, it kept building up. I got nobody to help. And the county says, oh, here, let us rush out and help you fix your problem.
Yeah, why wait till it became a problem?
Well, it was probably well over a year ago now that we did a study to find out exactly what was the cause of the problem. We didn't want to just go in there and clean it out in case there was a real pinpoint reason why this was occurring.
Sure.
It wasn't just because of overtime and natural occurrences. So we did that, and then we hired someone to remove the algae. It just takes time between design and permitting and
Sure.
process. We also needed to find the money for it, so.
Yeah,
Oh, well,
indeed.
that helps too. Yeah.
Hi, caller. You're on News Radio 1580.